Do you feel like this about social media marketing? Why does this happen? Well, because you are brainwashed into believing that you have to be on social media because everyone else is. Classic FOMO. You're told that the latest trend is to be creating reels for Insta or TikTok, or that you have to be posting multiple times a day on Facebook to reach an audience who is unlikely to see it anyway. Hey, don't think that I am anti-social media because I use it myself, but it's a very small part of my marketing. But what I see all the time is that busy business owners just like you spend hours struggling to create content, learning to use social media more effectively, and pouring too much money into Facebook ads. Now, only Zuck gets rich from those, and then thinking they can beat the algorithm. Tip, you will never beat the algorithm, and it sucks so much time. Now, it's time to get realistic. Remember that social is one part of your marketing plan. One part! Yet many business owners put 80% of their time and effort into it only to see it fail or to be disappointed by the results. Now it's time to flip the switch, change your mindset and get realistic on how to use social and what other tactics should be the focus. Now these other tactics are where you get the results from the work that you do. Now I'd like to share 7 of these with you. Now there are a bunch more, but these 7 are a really good starting point. So if you go down below, grab the link and you can get 7 quick wins that will get you new clients that don't suck your time like social media does. Go on, go grab them, off, get it.